Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to put the SIM card in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation you have to get your SIM card, of course, and the key to open your phone. And let's see the phone. Under your phone you have the two holes. This hole is for microphone, so don't touch it. This hole is to open the SIM card slot. So open it. That's it. And there we have a SIM card. Place. Yep, so we're gonna place the SIM card in and just put the SIM card slim slot here gently into the hole. Tick. And as you see, let's take a look at the phone. SIM is locked because I have pin on my SIM card. Anyway, that's the way to insert your SIM card into your phone. After that, you need to write your pin, and that's it. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!